If you need to send your phone in for repair, give it to a friend or family member, or wipe device data for any reason, perform a factory data reset for a clean slate. Before you reset, always save any personal information so there are no recovery issues. To do this, go to Settings. Then tap Accounts and Backup. From here, you can back up data to Samsung Cloud if you like. After you've backed up your personal data, go to General Management. Tap Reset. Select Factory Data Reset. Look over the information that will be erased and apps that will be uninstalled before proceeding. Tap Reset. Enter the credentials if you have a security lock set on the device. Next, tap Delete All to wipe all information from your device. Your device will now reset and boot back up to the initial setup screen.